Picking up the pieces of a broken heart.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review. Today's video takes a closer look at the REETLE SmartInk Case, a case that turns the back of an iPhone into a focused e-ink workspace. Instead of staying just a protective shell, it becomes a reader, an AI recorder, and a customizable widget board that stays visible even when the phone stays locked. After spending time with it in real daily routines, this is how the SmartInk Case fits into a city life, fast-paced workflow. Well, before we start the video, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Gravity can take his arms around my legs and try to pull me. I'll still levitate. The greatest gift I got is being is holy. One thing I learned, pain hurts but don't control me. I'm not broken.
Okay, as usual, let's start from the design. REETLE SmartInk Case takes on a squared ergonomic frame that keeps the phone steady in hand and avoids the slippery feel common with many slim cases. At only 4mm, it adds little weight while still offering tempered glass protection and reinforced corners. The soft inner lining shields the phone from scratches and the buttons respond cleanly. The whole build feels intentional, polished, and ready for daily use rather than a tech demo or prototype. Let's jump from the design to the display. Well, the 3.97-inch e-ink panel on the back is the centerpiece. With a 480 by 800 resolution, it stays clear outdoors, stays gentle on the eyes, and brings a distraction-free reading space that feels more like paper than a digital display. The REETLE app accepts different formats files. Reading during commutes and breaks feels calm and steady. Standby time stays strong with about 7 days, and the case delivers long sessions without pulling attention back to the main screen, which makes it especially useful in crowded or time-limited moments. Well, now let's talk about the real-life use case scenarios. REETLE SmartInk Case includes a dedicated record button, and it changes how quickly notes are captured. One single press activates recording instantly, no matter what the iPhone is doing. After syncing through the application, the recording appears with an accurate transcript, a summary of the main points, and a clean mind map breakdown. This keeps voice notes organized without extra steps. The performance matches what was shown in the reference sample, which demonstrated fast uploads and reliable transcription accuracy. For anyone who gathers ideas throughout the day, the recorder becomes a dependable tool that captures thoughts quickly and turns them into neat, readable text. Here comes the fun part. Here, one of the most enjoyable parts of the SmartInk system is how personalized the rear display can become. In the application's album tab, photos can be imported and then transformed using built-in AI styles such as print, sketch, and several well-crafted filters. The final look feels almost like a real paper print thanks to the e-ink texture. Whether it's a pet portrait, family photo, or clean minimalist graphic, the display turns it into a crisp monochrome artwork that gives the phone a unique identity. Beyond photos, the e-ink panel also works as a smart widget board. Tasks, reminders, QR codes, or schedules can stay pinned on the back of the phone for quick glances throughout the day. Okay, the to-do list is created and edited directly in the REETLE app. After adding or adjusting tasks, the updated list can be pushed to the case with one tap, and the e-ink screen refreshes with the new items. Over time, this passive dashboard becomes a habit-forming space where reminders remain visible tasks stay grounded, and personal photo add a subtle layer of character. Okay, after using the Smart Ink case day to day, its purpose becomes clear. It's more than protection. The e-ink reading experience feels calm and focused. The recorder captures ideas instantly and keeps everything organized. Moreover, the widget and photo tools turn the back of the phone into a clean, personal second screen. It adds a quieter, more intentional layer to the phone, making everyday tasks feel simpler and more grounded. Well, I've left a link to this REETLE SmartInk in the description box. Go ahead, check this product. But before you go, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.